Hello, I'll introduce you. His name is Krishna and he will be accompanying me. He will be with me for the entire day. And now we'll be doing the sightseeing. We'll be visiting the places which are famous in Kathmandu, Nepal. And we'll be going to the monastery, we'll be going to the Pashupatinath temple. And now first we are going to Monkey Temple. Kitna dur hai yahan se? 3 kilometers. It is 3 kilometers from this place. We are in mid of the market. The name of this place is Tamil. It is around 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers from airport.
No, around 7.5.
7.5 kilometers from airport. And if you want, there's so many. It's a tourist place. You can come and you can visit these places. The market is really very good. You'll find many things, and you can see all the foreigners. Most of the tourists are there. They come here for trekking, hiking, and all the adventure sports. And now we will be starting our sightseeing. So, guys, I'll show you the entire. I'll be trying my level best to show you the Kathmandu. I don't have that much time, but still I'll be trying my level best because on 14th I have to go back because my leave is only till 15th of November. The rest all is good. I will be back. You can see that's Nepal. सबै केटी राम्रो हुँदैन राम्रो केटी हाम्रो हुँदैन
हाम्रो केटी सबै केटी राम्रो हुँदैन
राम्रो केटी हाम्रो क्या गरे I'll get back to you. That's the monkey temple. You can see there are around 365
States, like
65 states, like 365 days in a year. And now we are taking another route. We will be going all the way around, and we will be reaching the top because we don't have enough time. I don't have enough time, so because I have to cover 4 or 5 destinations today itself, and tomorrow I have to leave. I have to check out early in the morning at 5:30, and I'll be leaving for boat Kosi for bungee jumping and can and swing. And day after tomorrow, I'll be overstaying there tomorrow night, and day after tomorrow I'll be doing canoeing. Yes, you can see. This is my first sightseeing, the Monkey Temple. It's better to be all alone. Usually I tell you guys, I have to overcome my fear. You have to be prepared.
very happy to see so many like domestic foreigners coming to visit. Also today is Saturday, so public holiday. So people
So
are coming
this temple is famous for
visit, like kind of Buddhist temple.
it's a Buddhist temple.
In the middle they have a Hindu temple as well.
Okay.
Very smaller one, but all around it's Buddhist.
And
90%.
why did it name Monkey Temple? Like
Because of this is a modern name. There are some people keeping the name like kind of touristic people because there's so many monkeys roaming over here. So we have a monkey temple.
Achha.
Temple. So
There's so many monkeys, so that's the only reason they named Monkey Temple.
The foreigner people, not from Nepali people.
Okay.
That is why the famous name is now Monkey Temple.
This is the main entrance.
Yeah.
That one is the main entrance, right?
So many people. So many. UP, the car from.
Oh, UP se?
Yeah. So many cars we have from other countries. Uttarakhand also,
Past-
Jharkhand also.
Uttarakhand to
Yeah.
I can understand.
Okay. Uttarakhand.
So where you will be parked with the car?
Yeah, I just parked here. It's
Okay.
not allowed
You will be
for
coming
me.
alone?
No, not.
Guys, this is my first place of sightseeing. This is Monkey Temple because not many monkeys are there nearby. So that's why it is named Monkey Temple. You can see.
Haben wir auch schon mal erst gesehen, ne?
This is a place where you can make a wish. And you can see the place. इधर पे कोई मंदिर है क्या? इधर पे मंदिर है देखो इधर में एक ही है So I'm going to the temple. There are some steps. You can see the flags, the beauty of Nepal. Tibetan flags. Whenever you see a monastery or you can see a Buddhist culture, you see all those flags because these are the symbols of love, respect, and I've reached at the top of Monkey Temple. You can see monkeys, and this is the stupa. This is the monastery, which I was talking about. And see, this is the market. Lot many shops, painting. quite amazing. आप देख सकते हैं. You can see the entire flags. अभी मैं बस अपनी कार जहाँ पे मैंने पार्क की थी वहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ. और ड्राइवर मेरे गाइड कहाँ पे है? Where is my guide? So that was the main entrance. उससे मैं ऊपर गया, ऊपर पे मंदिर था. There was a monastery. That was all there. See how many flags are there. See you guys.